Ice cream lovers, a big trend that we're seeing in the US and Italy is protein in ice cream. It's becoming very, very popular, not only in frozen dessert markets, but it's also popular as you go into the kind of health food process, particularly gyms. We're seeing a lot of product now featuring a level of protein, whether it be whey protein or other types of protein. We're seeing it here. We're at the Mech 3 booth, a big gelato and ice cream flavor company, base company. I'm going to talk to the chef around the corner here about why whey products have become much more popular in this day and age. So ice cream lovers, I'm here with two heavy hitters, the big bosses of the ice cream world here. Paola.
Un forte.
And Stefano, we know from many years. He's an executive gelato chef to the stars, this man. We're talking a little bit about the protein product. How is protein, or how is the ingredient base different with the protein products versus the regular? How are they different?
This year we launched two different tastes of soft gelato for Mech 3 that are vanilla protein and chocolate protein. We have the relatives normal same tastes, but here we have a more content of protein.
Right.
So if you eat this kind of gelato, protein gelato, you can taste a protein gelato.
Sure.
The goodness is the same, but the content of protein is more.
Is protein coming from whey? Where's the protein coming from? How do you add the protein?
The protein, you have to calculate the protein on the caloric apport of the product. So they weigh from the calories of the product.
Where is it more popular? Is it popular in the gelaterias, or is this a line that maybe goes to health food or gyms or exercise markets?
Yes,
everybody.
Of course, yes, everybody. Of course, gelato is not a healthy food.
Healthy for the mind.
Yes, it's healthy for the mind, but protein is a trend. It's a trend worldwide in all the food segment. If you eat this kind of gelato, you can join a very good and healthy gelato.
Healthier gelato.
Yes.
And then you've also, I was talking to the chef yesterday, down here we have a lot of nut products, which also kind of add to the protein, no?
Just these pestos. They are pestos, pistachio, peanut, and almond.
And they're way heavy in whey too.
Yeah, you can add in the protein gelato to serve a protein 100% recipe.
You ready to go, Stefano?
Yes.
Vanilla.
Beautiful. And what's your selection here? Can we put something on?
Pistachio is our selection.
Is that your favorite?
Yes, I love pistachio. But it's also the best way to taste vanilla.
There's much more particulates.
Yes,
it's grainy.
Yes.
Good structure.
Yeah.
It's got good
texture.
The pistachio. Have I got any in my teeth? So is this product available in the US, around the world?
Around the world.
Stefano, you being a very famous gelato chef, do you travel all around the world presenting these beautiful treats?
Exactly. I'm traveling all around the world, and everywhere they like gelato, pizza and cappuccino.
What's your go-to favorite for? Are you a chocolate guy? Or?
No. Pistachio. Pistachio is very good flavor because looks like crunchy flavoring, and then they can use it for the salty things as well. As you know, I do a lot of salty gelato, savory gelato anyway.
It's very good. Where can we find out more about this product? At the website?
Yes, website, of course.
We'll put a link to the website down below. Stefano's got a lot of social media stuff going on, so we'll put a link to that as well. Hey, thank you.
Thank you.
You didn't want to do this, and he made you do it.
Okay.
But you did a great job. The only thing we need to say is keep on scooping.
Okay.
Can you say that with me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Keep on scooping.